Welcome to Ada's Reading Corner. Hi, I'm Ada, your storyteller. Let's share the joy of reading and embrace the power of imagination, one enchanting story at a time. So visit with me on my YouTube channel and let the magic begin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for notifications of new stories. Cooking with the Lorax, written by Solani Fry and illustrated by Anthony Conley. I am the Lorax. I want something to munch. I think that a salad would make a good lunch. Come with me. I will share. My garden is right over there. A salad needs some greens. I pick lettuce and beans. Carrots will add crunch. I will pick a bunch. Maybe a potato? No, I don't think so. I will gather berries. I will pick some cherries. I am done with my stroll. Time to get the salad bowl. Wash, wash, wash. Slice, slice, slice. Everything looks very nice. Add a cheesy crumble. Can you hear my tummy rumble? Pepper and salt, if you please, but not too much, or I will sneeze. Then a dressing goes on top. First, I like to taste the drop. Now I toss it up high. Watch the salad fly, fly, fly. Finally, my salad is done. Making it was lots of fun. A salad is a yummy treat. I cannot wait to sit and eat. The end of The Lorax Wants Something to Munch. Thanks for listening. And if you enjoyed the story, then go ahead and hit that like button for me. And subscribe to my channel for notification of new stories.